Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview EasyCare Protec. What is EasyCare Protec? The EasyCare Protec product is a specially formulated stain and scale remover that is specifically designed to safely remove scaling and staining from calcium, iron, copper, and manganese in decorative fountains, birdbaths, tabletop fountains, and water gardens. This water treatment is non-acidic and environmentally safe for birds, plants, and animals, including aquatic life. Small monthly applications of this product will help keep surfaces continuously clean and clear of stains. Product benefits: specially formulated stain and scale remover. Removes calcium, iron, copper, and manganese in decorative fountains, birdbaths, and water gardens. Safe for birds, plants, and animals, including aquatic life. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.